Hi everyone, this is Sasi. You're watching my channel so-called Sasi's Guidance. Now we have to talk about voice of negative sentence type. Akoina voice ki negative sentence type ni tawgudur si mamang na positive type tawgre. Aduna de akoina present indefinite. And now my grammar is present indefinite negative to so present indefinite or any subject plus do or does plus not plus v1 plus object legeni active structure da other subject later do not like you did do saramina remember v1 later other not like me object later other target dc formula the subject plus m or is or r plus not plus v3 plus by plus object then subject raise see object the orange is the katamani I tamani I dedicate genre the formula m genre I dedicate the formula m not I remember get third form ibirane koina the third form of remember is remembered or next is by the u object adum thambirani u the u harabanina to shumai tadna kone sita ju olani si subject lere does not to english that does not lere adi v1 lere plus object lere adi te pukhalaji a text te pukhalaji a text te kai channel singular number ore kai channel is janare is lere adi form adi kai lere not lere negative ore banina adi madunga type ki v3 ibeni type kana by he objective him so my tadna kono ola next mathang da moy koina subject lere do see do not do lere not lere they do not lere meet it verb like je ko ade ke de koina si first one verb ni object lere ada ke de ola ko matam de koina use pukhalaji you de kai janare formula apply to matam da are janare mo you de are janare as you are not meet ki third form di met and sumaita masigi third form do sida halani next is by me sibo sumaita da koina present indefinite ki negative ki active tagi passive on ba khoi loire adra mathang de koina present continuous ki active tagi passive on ba negative sentence type ki khoi mun na rasi. Now we have present continuous tense. Present continuous tense negative sentence type ni voice ki ni adhe active lagada ba formula subject plus am or is or are plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object le raha adhe subject chana jare am not chana jare v1 plus ing le jare object english le jare adhe ke dora ko ni sida english pukhalani subject oina formula je apply to matam da si subject jana jare english adi kai jana re is jana re mathang de kai jana re my formula to no jana re mathang being ebse ka bi ya de being le re adu di this ki di dot le re next is by kanano me aina to so mai to da ko ne ka de wai ko na present continuous ki in negative sentence ki active tagi passive o mujhe sumai ogani mathang mu yuji sawa subject lere is not writing is a verb like jere present continuous tense ni a long letter object lere aduri kai pukharani a long letter is singular number ni kai chane formula agi matungina is anare ade mathang kai lere negative note like jere next is kai like jere being lere next is kai lere ade right ki third form of verb is written lere next is by next is sawa so my thought na next number 2 da you are not repairing the kitchen ab jida ka da ko use subject le re si present continuous tense ke verb ni si le ji object ni the kitchen pokala si the kitchen is singular number ni kai chana re is not chana re formula gi matungina kai hapani ko na being hapani next is v3 of repair ki di repaired by kana repair ta udariba you so mai ta dai ko na present continuous ki negative sentence ki active tagi passive omje ki matung dai ko na present perfect tense ki mutawrasi now we have present perfect khoi present perfect te yengasi present perfect tense मतलब active तक लेके तब subject plus have or has plus not plus V3 plus object formula साना रहे हैं subject ले रहे has not साना जरे V3 ले जरे me object ले जरे आता दे I सी पुकलनी subject था I दे कई साना रहे formula apply तो बता have साना रहे मतंग कई रहे not ले रहे next मतंग कई रहे be नहीं वो wise ले रहे be नहीं बजे कोई ना perfect decision है next is V3D के दवाई कोई ना assisted अदम ले जरे बाकी V3D warning आई लेते रहे next is by C की objective हर ले रहे समय तो उधर कोई ना मुझे C subject ले रहे C के दवाई कोई ना present perfect negative की के दवाई कोई ना tense ले जरे verb ले रहे C object ले रहे दे जे पुकलने दे कई चाना रहे have अदम चाना रहे have negative मीना have not अदम हायरानी next is been थंबीरानी अदिगे rewarded the same rewarded अदम इबिरानी next is by me next मथंग दा he subject ले रहे has not bought ऐसी कहते हुए कोई ना present perfect negative tense की कहते हुए कोई ना भाव हो रहे next मथंग दा कोई ना करे object ले रहे the case से पुखल से the cats the case is the singular या plural ला singular है यंग में तंदर कहते हुए कोई ना plural हो रहे हैं तो plural हो रहे में दी his है तो कहते हुए कोई ना थम्मा रो his थम्बा याद रहे अदु कई थम्मनी कोई ना plural हो रहे ना have ऐसी थम्मनी अदु दी have not been brought third form of तुमने जरे by he him to महाना आइडी केसिंगदु पुरखिदे हैबदुना आइडी सिनामो केसिंगदु माना पुरखिदे हैदना हाइरे समय तो देखोना प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस फाउ देखोय लोइरे अमथंग देखोना past indefinite के अमुक नैनरसी in the past indefinite tense we have now the formula subject plus did not plus v1 plus object अदुदी object ओरे अदुदी ig subject ओरे did not सी मसाई जाना जरे still v1 ले जरे your what से कहते object ले रहे अदुदी सीधे ले रहे पुखलानी your what पुखपिरानी is it singular number or plural number let's check it it is singular number that's why and what should be used अदुदी कहते हुए कहना what सीजनरानी and not apiरानी next is v3d stain stone stolen next is by थंबीरानी next is me थंबीरानी समय तो उन्हें कहते हुए कहने एक्टिव के पैसिव ओलनी पास इंडेफिनिट की नेगेटिव सेंटेंस की एक्टिव की पैसिव ओल में तो समय ओलनी मतलब तो कहते हुए you did not inform me ऐसे तो कहते हुए कहने you subject ले रहे did not ले जा रहे inform सी प्लान verb ले रहे next object me ले रहे I पकड़े I दे कई जान रहे was जान रहे I was negative ने not ले रहे next is v3 ले रहे अदे inform की v3 अदम इबिरनी कोई ना inform next is by you हाई थंबीरनी next is c ले रहे did not I did heard as well verb ले रहे past indefinite नहीं सी तब object ले रहे you पुखला से दे you दे कई जान रहे we are जाने मरम दी you की मितुंग दे we are इंग्रे कोई तंग्रे we were not मतलब करी heard v3 अदम उजाई मार्ग इमार माने heard अने ले बनी next is by C दी heard up to कोई ना past indefinite tense पर तोरे मतलब दा past continuous अमुक नैनरसी now we have past continuous tense let's see and let's discuss is it past continuous tense की formula ये सी subject plus was or were plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object formula जाना रहे we जाना जरे we are not lecture having have ing ताजरे v1 plus ing ले जे breakfast object ले रहे अदु जिसी की subject है जी object और verb से पुखलानी अदु दी breakfast अदुदी singular number अमीना was जाना रहे negative वजह में was not ले रहे being ऐसे में दी compulsory संगे continuous tense दी being plus v3 दी have had have नहीं next is by ले रहे we की object दी as ले रहे so in the number one let's see the examples कोई examples जो मुझे ऐसे यंगो अदु ही ले रहे सी past continuous की negative ले रहे object ले रहे सी verb नहीं अदुदी कई पुखले को ना दे पुखले दे कई जाने we are जाने अदुदी they were not being formula की मतुंगी ना next is searched by he him. Next is you later. You were not learning verb later. English later. Object later. Adudi English bukalasi English. Adudi kai sanare singular ni na was not sanai tu. We are not ki karigi was not kamai to singri ba hai bagi mong do kone tai ni. Next is being. Next is learned. Next is by. Next is you. Up to past continuous tense. Next is past perfect tense. Now we should talk about past perfect tense. The last tense of past section. Okay, let's see the formula. Subject plus head plus not plus V3 plus object. We see object is let's match it. They is subject over here, head not is over here, and then sin is V3. The boy is object. The boy is used as a subject over here. After the boy, we have to apply the formula and we have to use head according to this the formula. Masiki formula ji metungina. Next is not. Next is been. Been is compulsory. Next is V3 seen. Next is by. Object is what? In the example, let's see. She is subject. Head not review up to this verb. Past perfect of negative sentence ni me is object. I is used as a subject over here. After I, here should be used. Next is a had not, and then the next is a been. Next is start from the verb of review itself review, and then by her. The object of she is her. So my thought is na active tagi passive ole. In the number 2, the man had not planted the mango tree. The mango tree should be used as a subject over here. Mango tree. After mango tree, we have to apply had not itself. No sense of had not. Then next is been. Next is V3. Planted. Next is by the man. Sumai tau drai koi na past perfect tense se koi na kamai tau on gani habito koi na negative sentence ki past perfect tense kara mai na on gani habito koi na zile re aduga mathang dai koi na defective indefinite and defective perfect ki maram na koi zine na si. Now we should talk about defective indefinite. Defective indefinite koi na na si subject le re sai da defective verb le re not le re v1 le re object le re sana ra ba yang si subject si sana jare defective verb sana jare no chana jare do v1 le jare object le adu di sida pukhala ni si formula je apply to biraga the work pukhala ni the work ki matung da kadare ko na defective verb should adum in birani. Next is not adum thambirani. Next formula matung na be thambirani. Third form of the do did done habani. Next is by we the as le. So my thought is formula apply to raga in the number 1 that we must not disobey the rules. Adu the subject le must not defective verb le plus not le plus v1 le plus object le. So my thought is tense the rules have si pukale. Next is must mari homework must not be jare disobeyed. Third form the verb like jare. Next is by us. Next number 2 is you ought not to read the book in a ledger. Adi subject ledger. Adi ought not to ledger. V1 ledger. Si defective verb ledger plus no ledger. Two jidi masagi inja bagini the book object ledger. Adi the book to pukhapira ni the book pukhalaga na kada bakona ought not to be into. Be thamuma tamdadi or not a thamoy to gimatunga thamgani. Next is third form of read is read. Next is by you. So my thought is na the defective indefinite ki active tegi passive on bagi negative form je koi na hojik loire aduna mathang de koi na defective perfect amo koi na rasi. Okay, now the last tense of the voice is the defective perfect. Let's go on. Defective perfect form subject le jare subject chana re defective verb could leisure not leisure have leisure VT plate leisure object leisure sanare adu shemu apply to raji the main subject leisure the main ke matam da defective verb te ke da kona could not to dumu sana zare next is have thambirani next is been thambirani next is third form thambirani next is by thambirani form ma tungina adu digi object dem lerani sumata na adu de khoi ji formula je dum sanare sumata formula matching to busini mathang da de khoi de mo subject lere si bau da defective perfect lere si object lere adu di the problem pukhalasi the problem my not adum formula de lejari my defective ha baina have phause dum samane next is passive ore bani bin jangbirani next is solve ed dum thambire v3 next is by kanana no degi objective then next mathanda muyeng si you subject lere will not have promoted me object lere I pukhalaji I lere si the will not thamiji I laga the shall thamani shall not have kaijangeba been promoted by you. Thus, we have finished how to change active to passive of negative sentence. Negative sentence ke do ko ne active te passive kara mai tor ongi ni haiba tense ke loine raga tambase da koi huji loire aduna ko na affirmative ta abedi positive ta hai gibadu ke do ko na negative ta sudum haina bo hona ga dabani masi her madu ko ne interrogative amu cha thara ga doini matang step step na na manamadu mayam na ai gi yeng biriba ai di grammar lover sing ne ke do ko na yam regular na ne yeng biu ai if you want to improve your English grammar ai di regular I be say am important oi aduna thank you very much for your cooperation.